You should recommend repiping when a home has repeated pipe leaks, low water pressure throughout the house, or water that comes out rusty, brown, or discolored. If the plumbing is made of galvanized steel or polybutylene, or if the pipes are more than 40 years old, repiping is usually the smarter long-term fix instead of patching problems one at a time. Think of your home's pipes like the veins in your body. Over many years, metal pipes can rust and corrode from the inside, and that buildup narrows the path water has to travel through. Kind of like a straw getting clogged with gunk. This causes weak water pressure and can even make your water taste or smell strange. Something a lot of people do not know is that galvanized steel pipes were commonly used in homes built before 1970, and they were only designed to last about 40 to 50 years before they started breaking down internally. Another lesser-known fact is that polybutylene piping, used heavily in the 1980s and 90s, is prone to cracking from the inside out due to chemicals in the water supply reacting with the plastic, and it often fails without warning. If a homeowner is dealing with frequent leaks behind walls or under floors, that is usually a sign the whole system is failing, not just one section. A common mistake homeowners make is only fixing the exact spot where a leak shows up instead of looking at the overall age and material of the plumbing system, which often leads to repeated repairs and wasted money. A good tip is to have a plumber inspect the whole system rather than just the leak itself. Another misconception is thinking repiping means tearing up the entire house, when in reality most modern repiping jobs can be done with minimal wall damage using smart access points. Always ask for a written explanation of the process before agreeing to any work. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app called JawBit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.